Randall Reed's Prestige Ford, your local Ford dealership, knows that. There's more to being a great dealership than just location, location, location. It's about trust. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is an award-winning dealership providing top-notch service, selection, and savings. You can trust that we'll take care of all of your Ford automotive needs. Learn more about Randall Reed's Prestige Ford at www.prestigegarland.com. While you're there, print out money-saving service coupons. Speak to an online representative to answer your questions now. Get loans with little or no money down. And see what makes Randall Reed's Prestige Ford the right dealership for you. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is located at 3601 South Shiloh Road in Garland, Texas.